Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode let's do a whole house reset. Let's clean the sink, through the bathroom, through the toilet, through the kitchen, through the balconies, the corridors and everything. A whole house reset video. Okay, and by saying that, I've broken down my house chores into simpler tasks. As you can see in this book, I have a list of 10. And yeah, it's okay to break down your chores into simpler tasks to make it easily achievable. So let's get started. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe to this channel. I share videos about how to house decor, travel around the map, and everything in between my lifestyle. So stay tuned.
Cleaning has always felt like more than just a chore to me. It's a process of renewal for sure. As I begin in the bedroom, I'm not just tidying up, guys. I'm clearing the energy, setting the tone for peace and relaxation. There's something about fluffing pillows and straightening sheets up that makes me feel like I'm restoring balance in both my space and my mind. And I have to say that cleaning isn't easy, guys. You have to commit yourself. And I have to mention that my home isn't just where I live, it's where I breathe, dream, and create. Every corner carries a piece of my story. Keeping it clean and cozy isn't just a duty, it's my way of honoring this safe haven. And guys, I mentioned earlier that my bedroom is my safest place. There's something deeply rewarding about transforming my space into a reflection of peace and comfort. It's not perfect, but it's mine, and that's what makes it so special to me, guys.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Guys, I'm still on with my chores. Out of 10, I only managed to do like I clean the bedroom, change sheets, clean dirty utensils in the kitchen, and cleaning the what else did I do? The balconies. So what's remaining is cleaning the sink, toilet, bathroom, and dirty shoes. So I think I'll be showing you the before and the after. So allow me do this off camera. Bye.
I've always found a sense of pride in doing things for myself, washing clothes, dishes, organizing shoes, or arranging my kitchen. These tasks, though simple, give me a sense of control over my space and my.
This is the before of my toilet before cleaning. Yeah. The sink, you can see how dirty it is. The corridor, which separate the rooms. You can see these are the dirty shoes. Look how I left the bathroom so dirty. Look at that floor. Anyway, we're gonna get it done in a few. So this is the before. Corridor, sink, toilet, and everything. So let me just do it off camera, okay?
Moving to the bathroom, I find joy in the transformation. It's amazing how a little effort can turn a space from overlooked to sparkling. There's something symbolic about scrubbing away the buildup. It feels like I'm washing away the stresses of the day, leaving a space that reflects freshness and clarity, as you can see, guys. And I have to mention that cleaning isn't always easy. Sometimes it feels endless and the exhaustion creeps in. But as I finish each task, I'm reminded that progress happens one small step at a time. It's a reminder that life, like cleaning, doesn't demand perfection, just effort. And the reward, the feeling of walking into a home that smells fresh, feels light, and welcomes you like a warm hug. That's worth everything.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down.
Guys, just like that, I'm done with all this. I mean, I'm gonna be taking everything because nimemaliza. Guys, you remember the other day I did cleaning, whole house cleaning, and I also cleaned clothes. They're there back there, very clean and ready to fold. So let's do this and put them in their respective places. Okay, I can't wait to end this video. Then go do my hair. Whew. Anyway, this is my natural hair, just simple cornrows. I've been wearing a wig while going outside, so let's do this.
Folding laundry is one of those tasks that feels simple but carries so much meaning. It's not just about organizing clothes, it's about taking care of the little things that add comfort to my everyday life. As I fold each piece, I reflect on how much I value a sense of order. It's a quiet, mindful moment that feels like piecing my life back together, one fold at a time. And guys, you could tell that I enjoyed folding my laundry. Like, yeah, I love it so much. And that tip for you, always fold your laundry when it's inside out. Like, fold it when the inner side is on the outside to avoid whatever. You can spill oil on your clothes, but when it's inside out, itapata side ya ndani, ya nje itakuwa tu sawa. I mean, so guys, thank you for being here. And also would want to know, what's your go-to cleaning tips? Let me know down there in the comment section. Engage with this video. Let me know what you've learned from my video today. Is how I fold my clothes the same way you fold your clothes? Is there any other way better than mine that you can teach me how to? Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram pages. That is at Ngina_Georges and Bing_Ngina. Let's engage. And guys, immediately after folding my clothes, I went into arranging them in the wardrobe. I had to put them back into their respective places, and I also forgot to shoot about putting my clean shoes back to the shoe rack. So I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, that is all I did. And guys, cleaning is a therapy. Don't take cleaning as a task. Take it as a self-care routine to yourself. When you clean your environment by yourself, you get attached. You get that emotional attachment with your place. It's the best therapeutic thing you can do to yourself. When you're distracted, you're not in your right senses of mind, you can just clean something. you know Guys, just try it and let me know. Thank you for your time. Let's meet in the next video. Stay safe, stay kind.